Today we are working with a volunteer group from the related companies, and we're right in their backyard. They have their offices at Hudson Yards behind us.
I remember when they were building the park and how long it took, the vision and how things comes together in New York, and New York continued to revive, and it's a resilient city, and we're so proud that we're building here and we live here.
Related has been coming to volunteer for a number of years. They also were a gala honoree of ours a couple of years ago. It's a great relationship.
All of the debris that we're collecting today, we're going to take it to our compost center. We have about 10 drop-off sites for bootstraps. We mix those two together. It takes a couple of months to cook.
A lot of their employees come to the park when they're not working, enjoy coming to volunteer, and it gives everybody a great feeling of helping take care of New York City.
We come to work here every day, so to be able to take a morning outside the office and help to do our part in the park, and watching people enjoy it, and doing what's necessary and getting into the weeds. Our teams were joking this morning that we're literally in the weeds this morning, taking weeds out, just like we do every day to develop the amazing projects. And we're really proud of our related teams, and especially being here this morning.